If you are feeling tingling sensations or numbness in your fingers and toes, it might be nerve damage. But don't worry, we're here to talk about the best vitamin to help repair those nerves. Say hello to B vitamins. They are crucial for a healthy nervous system. Let's break down the top 3 B vitamins that work wonders for nerve repair. First up, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This powerhouse vitamin reduces pain and inflammation, giving your nerves a much-needed break. Next, we have vitamin B6. This vitamin is crucial for preserving the protective covering on your nerve endings. Think of it as a shield, keeping your nerves safe and sound. And last, but definitely not least, vitamin B12. This one's essential for proper neurological function. A deficiency in B12 can actually cause neuropathy, so it's super important to keep your levels in check. You can get these vital B vitamins from foods like eggs, seafood, fortified cereals, vegetables, low-fat dairy products, and poultry. Or, if you prefer, you can take supplements. So, if you're dealing with nerve damage, make sure to boost your intake of B vitamins. Your nerves will thank you. Stay healthy and take care. That's 90 seconds with Made in Oz. See you in the next video.